You see someone yawn, and suddenly you yawn too. But why? It happens because of something called mirror neurons. These are brain cells that copy the behavior of others. When someone yawns, your brain activates the same neurons, as if you were yawning yourself. It's an unconscious way of building empathy and social connection. That's right. Yawning together is your brain's way of syncing with people around you. If you like learning how your brain works in everyday life, hit that follow button for more quick neuroscience. Yes, yawning is contagious because your brain is wired to connect.